my name is Isaiah Brown. I'm here with Kazi as well. We're both in Wednesday Group 2, and we're going to be describing and looking over the UML. So what I've done so far, I've been Kazi's assistant, and I've been gathering all the data and everything like that coming from TP4, and gathering all the classes and everything like that, and have it all compiled here. I know it's a lot and it's all in your face, but pretty much what's going on here is that we have our associations as well as operations, and these are all going to be interconnected with the relationships going to all of these different types of classes. And Kazi is the one who's been doing a little bit more in-depth detail upon which is going to be inheritance and dependencies with the relationships coexisting with certain classes to one another. So if he wants to take that away, go right there.
Yep. Thank you, Isaiah. Hi, my name is Kazi. I basically gathered Isaiah's information and put it into the ASTA UML diagram. We have all of the user stories in here for the most part. I did not include the H2 database. Instead, I decided to put the database helper in the attribute segment for each appropriate class. The reason I did that was just to save space and clutter for the display of the UML diagram itself, because there would be double the amount of association arrows all over the screen and it would just make following the arrows confusing. So instead I just decided that it would be best to just reference the database helper in the classes. And yeah, outside of that I have the association arrows between all of the user stories, their classes, and all the components that we built and features that we built that work with multiple classes and user stories. We have the aggregation, the association, composition, and dependency arrows all across the UML diagram. We did not have any inheritance instances in this project, but outside of that, we have basically everything labeled here, from each of the pertinent attributes and operations of each class, as well as how they all interact. And yeah, this is our team project for system. Again, we did not include the database in the system as a class, as well as a few other small classes that had very small functionalities and no operations, so we thought it would be best to exclude those. Thank you.